Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna do this unboxing. This is the North Face that we caught this at the premium outlet store at the nearby Cabazon. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. They were having it on sale, which I thought was a pretty good deal, and then got this piece because it looks pretty nice. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So this is the black hoodie. As you can see on the left chest, at the left hand side of the chest, it has this imprint on there, the North Face. And this is printed on, it is not embroidery. And you have this zipper. I'm not sure if you can see, but that's a North Face logo. And you got the draw cord right here. So this is the original North Face. As you see the tag. And this one is a size medium. Made in El Salvador. Here is the tag. Original price, this one was $65 for the hoodie. And this one is a standard fit cope standard. And this one, it was 50% off, so it came down to be about $32.50 plus tax. And here is the the hood. And this one is a full zip hoodie. You got your separation pockets right here, left and right. And on this left hand side of this sleeve, it says the North Face, which is pretty nice, pretty big font. And this material, I think, is like a polyester. It's not 100% cotton. And right here, you could put your thumb through it. So during like a winter time, or it keep your this part of your hand warm. And on the right hand side of the sleeve, there's nothing. Let's go check out what kind of material this is. There you go. There is your authentic hologram. Let's try to see. So yeah, this is 100% polyester. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tags. And I guess this is a quality control sticker. So anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell, that ringing bell for notification. So whenever I drop new and latest video, you guys can check them out right away. Alright? Anyway, please stay tuned toward the end of the video for the try-on fit or wear on. Anyway, thank you for watching, and share this with your friend and family on social media. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.